Greetings everyone, I'm Abel Rojas, and this video will guide you in upgrading your Office apps from Office Professional Plus 2016 to the Office 365 apps that we currently use in the district. One thing to keep in mind though is that this will take some time, possibly an hour depending on the age of the device you're installing to. You probably won't need to be staring at the screen for an hour, but you will have to check that it is moving along. So let's get started. First, you'll have to make sure that you uninstall the existing 2016 Professional Plus. To do that, easiest way is to click on Start, then the Settings cogwheel, and on the next screen click on Apps, and you'll be scrolling down until you find the Office Professional Pro Plus 2016. When you click on that tile, you'll see Modify and Uninstall. Of course, click on Install, then Uninstall again. At this point, the Office installer is going to take over and ask you to confirm once more that you want to get rid of Office 2016. This process will take anywhere from 10 minutes to 30, and in some extreme cases, up to an hour. Once that's done, however, you'll want to install the 365 apps. So let's go over setting that up. Pick your favorite browser and head on over to the DCSD SharePoint, and where you normally find your profile, click on that and click on View Account. From here, you should be greeted to this same screen. If not, you can always click on the Overview key and wind up back at this point. From here, scroll down until you see Office Apps. Click on Manage. And you'll possibly see this screen, which is the Apps and Devices, which lets you know what devices you currently have Office on. We're interested on installing for the first time. So click on My Account and then click on Install Office. This will create a window that tells you and guides you what the process is for setting up Office. Once your download is complete, you'll go ahead and open the file. And this is where the Office installer will start taking over. It will guide you through the process of installing. It will make sure to ask whether or not you want to still install despite the fact that there are other versions of Office on, and you're good to go from there. This file download could take up to another 30 minutes as well, so keep that in mind. And ideally, you'll want to install on all the devices you'll personally use, or a device that will stay on site and rarely if ever used for personal use. I hope I was able to help.